All four of the L's are sewn together, and of course it's too big to see it here. This is a short piece here, and it's longer than this piece here. Okay, so we're going to take any of the four intersections, and for each of the four intersections we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn it like this, and we're going to take this, and this edge here we're going to line up with this edge. So if we just fold it over like that, and if you look here on this end, or this where you folded it, you will see a dotted line that was printed on the grid. So here's the dotted line, and it goes from here all the way down to here. Now let's look at the seam we're going to sew. Again, here's where you folded, and here is the line we're going to sew. And where this top one stops, that's where we're going to stop our seam. So we're going to start here and sew down to this folded area. But before we do that, I want to show you how we're going to treat this intersection here so it lays flat. And you'll notice on these, all of these will interlock. All of the seams have been pressed to the opposing sides, so all these will interlock. You'll start sewing here at this dot and backstitch, and then sew here. But let's look at this intersection here first. Now here is where we have our dotted line on the fold, and you'll see here are the two edges we want to stitch. And this little bit here is kind of off, but we're going to take care of that. So here we are, it's folded, and these are the two seams we're going to sew. But right here where this line of stitching is, we're going to clip our seam right next to that stitching. Okay, see, that's clipped right there. So what that allows us to do is pull this out from underneath and straighten it. Just pull it out, and then now you see the edges line up and this part lays flat. If I pick this up, you can see that this seam here lays flat. Okay, but we just want that piece right there, and right where you clipped, where this line meets, you're going to stop there and then back stitch.